Hey y'all, this is Jamie Deen. I'm back in Mama's Kitchen, and today I'm making a staple over 30-something years we've been doing these. We're doing cheese biscuits, y'all. But let me tell you the real reason why I'm excited. Mom has a young man out here that helps her take care of everything when this older man is not available or my older, younger brother's not available. And Mike is a very picky eater, so as many of these recipes that I've ever done, this is the one he's excited about. Mike doesn't eat a lot of green stuff. And you know me, I'm known for healthy eating. So anyway, we're gonna do cheese biscuits today. Let me tell y'all what, I made so many cheese biscuits when we were at 311 West Congress Street. We've been in our new building 20 years now, so this was 25 years ago. I'd made cheese biscuits so many times, I thought, what can I do to change a cheese biscuit? So I substituted beef stock instead of milk, and I called it a beef kit. A beef kit instead of a biscuit, and never offered them to the public, but I did wind up offering a handle sandwich, which is a piece of white bread with a chicken leg in it, so you never can tell. Beef kits might come back around. Mom has a box of mix that you can buy. Make it a lot easier than this. This is the homemade recipe. This is what we do it, and it's a very simple biscuit recipe. I tell you that because Mom has worked really hard to develop all these different cake mixes and what's dried goods. Okay, so we got our biscuits, she's got cornbread, we've got our gooey butter cakes, we've got cakes, all different kinds of things. But if you find yourself in a pinch and you want cheese biscuits, this is how easy it can be. We're going to start with our flour, and we've got our milk, and we've got our two types of cheese, and we'll mix all this up together. I'm gonna start it like this. If you have an ice cream scoop at the house, that is the best way to ensure that you have the same size biscuits so that you don't have to roll them out and cut them or worry about any of that. You can scoop these up with, I think I've got a 6-ounce ice cream scoop here this morning. Now, I've added a little bit more flour to this. My biscuits were a little loose, and I don't want loose biscuits. You see how these kind of stand alone? And you don't have to really space these out too much. They do rise a little bit, but when we cook them at the restaurant, we pack them on the pan because, of course, we want to get as many made as we can because folks are waiting, and it kind of just grows into a biscuit pan, and we brush it with our garlic butter, and then we're able to just cut them and pull them off. But this pan is going to work out, I think, just perfect. Okay, this is our biscuits. They're going in the oven at 325 for probably, I don't know, we're going to keep an eye on them. I'll let you know when they're done. Okay, y'all, we got our biscuits out of the oven, so I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder down in our butter, and look at these biscuits. And then right over the top of these hot biscuits goes this garlic butter. Don't say I'm too much butter. Mom will hear you, and she'll come running out of that bedroom just as fast. You want to make sure you get all these super coated. And it's gonna soak in, y'all, a cheese biscuit, ooh, in a bowl with some soup over the top of it. Makes my mouth water. Tomato dill soup on a cheese biscuit is probably one of my favorite flavors that's ever come out of the restaurant. Second only to the beef kit. Y'all have heard about the beef kit, hadn't you? Cheese biscuits, y'all. Really super delicious and easy. And hot. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. I'll see y'all around the kitchen. Bye, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.